Good morning. It is Tuesday, January 20th, 2026, at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Tech News. Meta's Independent Oversight Board has initiated a pivotal review concerning the company's authority to issue permanent account bans, a decision that could reshape the landscape of social media governance and user rights. This landmark case seeks to establish clear policy recommendations for how platforms like Facebook and Instagram manage account disablements, addressing long-standing concerns over transparency and fairness in content moderation. In a significant stride for artificial intelligence in healthcare, Biotics AI, a standout winner from the 2023 Disrupt Battlefield competition, has successfully secured FDA approval for its innovative AI-powered fetal ultrasound product. This breakthrough promises to enhance the early detection of fetal abnormalities, offering a new level of precision in prenatal care. The broader AI sector continues to attract substantial capital, with venture capitalists demonstrating a robust appetite for AI security startups. This surge in investment is a direct response to the escalating risks posed by unapproved AI tools, potential data breaches, and the complex challenges of managing shadow AI within organizations. These security concerns underscore the critical need for robust safeguards as AI integration deepens across industries. Reflecting this vibrant ecosystem, 2025 saw an impressive 55 U.S. AI startups each raise $100 million or more, signaling sustained investor confidence and rapid innovation. This robust funding environment is fueling advancements across various AI domains, from enterprise solutions to specialized applications. Concurrently, the once-hyped concept of the metaverse appears to be receding, with virtual reality initiatives increasingly overshadowed by the accelerating pace and practical applications of artificial intelligence, indicating a strategic pivot in tech industry priorities. Furthermore, in the digital experience optimization space, Everstone has announced the strategic combination of Wingify and AB Tasty, creating a unified platform valued at over $100 million. This merger aims to serve more than 4,000 global customers, consolidating capabilities in a competitive market. Business news. Global financial markets are currently experiencing significant turbulence, with Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq futures all registering declines. This market instability is largely attributed to escalating geopolitical tensions, specifically former President Trump's renewed threats of imposing tariffs on Greenland, which have triggered a broad bond sell-off and heightened investor anxiety. The Mourning bid report characterizes this period as a transatlantic tantrum, reflecting the widespread unease stemming from potential trade conflicts and their economic repercussions. Amidst this volatility, pharmaceutical giant Novartis AG has unveiled an ambitious $23 billion investment plan within the United States. A key component of this strategy involves the development of a new Radioligand Therapy logistics hub, signifying a major commitment to expanding its advanced therapeutic capabilities and supply chain infrastructure. This substantial capital allocation underscores Novartis's long-term growth objectives in a critical healthcare segment. In other notable corporate developments, the often controversial entrepreneur Elon Musk has publicly engaged with the airline industry, notably calling the CEO of Ryanair an utter idiot and provocatively suggesting the possibility of acquiring the company. While speculative, such pronouncements from a figure of Musk's stature invariably draw considerable attention and highlight the dynamic, sometimes unpredictable, nature of high-profile business interactions. Economists are closely monitoring these developments, with some forecasting potential doom for stocks and real estate in 2026, particularly if the proposed tariff threats materialize, emphasizing the delicate balance of global economic stability. World news. On the global diplomatic front, former President Trump has unequivocally stated his intention to proceed with tariffs against Greenland, a declaration that has prompted a firm response from the European Union. The EU has vowed to protect its economic interests, signaling a potential escalation in transatlantic trade disputes and further strain on international relations. This development is being closely watched for its broader geopolitical and economic implications. In a somber turn of events, Spain is observing 3 days of national mourning following a catastrophic high-speed train crash that resulted in the deaths of at least 40 individuals. The incident, which occurred on Sunday, marks the country's most severe rail disaster in over a decade, and a comprehensive investigation is now underway to ascertain the precise cause of the tragedy. Further human tragedy struck in South Africa, where 12 schoolchildren were tragically killed in a bus collision with a lorry. This devastating accident underscores the persistent challenges and poor safety record on South African roads, prompting renewed calls for improved infrastructure and driver vigilance. Politically, in Uganda, opposition leader Bobi Wine has announced his decision not to challenge the recent election results in court. Citing a profound lack of independence within the nation's judiciary, Wine has instead called for a path of peaceful change, a stance that could shape Uganda's political future. Meanwhile, in the Middle East, a ceasefire agreement has reportedly been reached between Syrian government forces and Kurdish-led forces. The accord aims to integrate an autonomous region in the northeast under state control, though initial reports indicate that sporadic clashes are still occurring, highlighting the fragility of the peace process. That is your briefing for today. Stay focused.